In this video I will show you a platform where you can make money online, which works in over 200 countries. It is an online platform that offers a wide variety of jobs to work from home with a flexible schedule. These jobs include translating, transcribing, web-based assessment, testing, and collecting or tagging data from a variety of sources. Some projects do not require previous experience, only the completion of basic requirements or the successful promotion of job-specific certification. Other jobs require a specific background and/or experience. All requirements are indicated in each job description. Whether you want to work on a project to upload a few photos or provide translations over a longer period of time, OneForma is your marketplace where you can choose the jobs that best fit your preferences, skill set and schedule. This platform offers you opportunities in 250 languages, so you're sure to find something for you. Before we start, please support us by liking and subscribing to the channel. This helps us a lot. Instead, we will regularly offer you the most current methods of making money online in 2022, so always be with us. Here we have the OneForma by PactorEdge platform. The main page. What do we see here? Recent jobs. Here we can see more. How does this work? We have to sign up, then search for freelancer jobs, and we are already part of a global community of collaborators. Here are the job categories in real time. We can see how many jobs are wanted now. At the end of the page we see that OneForma also has a mobile application, for Android and iOS. Let's see how it looks. I like it. It looks very comfortable. Here we have jobs, certificates, tasks, profile, and settings. This is a very big advantage because you can work from anywhere, even from your phone. In our daily life such an application is very useful. Let's go back to the main page. How it works. Browse jobs at OneForma. Apply for the job. Complete certifications. Here we will add if we have some certificates. This will demonstrate the level of our skills, and get paid for your work. Okay, let's proceed to the registration. Click sign up here. After entering all the data we must tick here. Scroll down. Now sign the document and click sign and accept. We have to repeat the procedure below. After checking everything we have to pass the verification as if we are human, then press the button yes please, I wanted to join the OneForma community. After we have registered, we log in again and we are already on our work page. Let's see in detail the projects we have. Data collection. From picture and video collection to voice recording. Simple and fun projects which help our clients improve their own technologies. Transcription. Write what you hear, following some simple instructions. Internet judging. UHRS and other judging projects. Translation. Acesta este domínio pentru ser oral a placa sa traduca. Testing. Acesta deja este domínio IT. Se mai ava multa proiect care nu sa enquadriaza and pro categoria animita. In minil the subavam UHRS. It is an online platform, where you can be a part of crowdsourcing community in exchange for compensation. Here you find a wide variety of projects and tasks on top of regular OneForma work. Benefits. Extra income. Work anytime you want from anywhere you want. You don't need a specific skill set to take part. Simply plug and play. The onboarding is quick, and you'll have exciting tasks and new jobs such as local search relevance, image labeling, and more. By opening your UHRS account now, you will be ready to go in no time. Scroll down and press apply now. Now we just have to go to my jobs, search for what we like, press view more, and if everything is fine, press happy now. Congratulations, now we just have to complete the task and receive the money on our account. In this way, you can complete tasks wherever you are, even from your phone. After some time, when you will adapt to the platform and gain more experience, you will be able to perform more tasks, and the more tasks you perform, the more your income will increase. After a certain time, you may not even need your basic job anymore. I recommend you to subscribe to the channel because here we discuss the most current methods of creating active and passive income, thus following several ideas, you will be able to find the perfect idea for you that will generate the income you are looking for. If you watched this video, it means that you are interested in making extra money or maybe creating a source of passive income to become financially independent, so subscribe to the channel, and we will offer you ideas and financial solutions.